Okay, all right, so another material, I don't have a, what's that brush? Okay, that's a synthetic flat bristle brush. I don't want to use that because that'll look like acrylic or oil. So I'm going to go to my library and excuse me, synthetic paintbrushes we don't want. What's that one? That looks like a brush, not a felt tip pen. Oh, coarse watercolor. Let's use that one. To do the same sort of thing, it's going to be very similar, but let's pick another color. I'm going to, I'm going to paint whatever shape you're painting, and let's pretend that this is a cylinder like that. And then I'm going to go back like a third of the way over, and I'm going to paint all the way across. And then I'm going to make that a little darker in those lighter areas. And then I'm going to, where I want it the darkest, I'm going to layer up a third or even a fourth time. So I have light, medium, and dark. Okay, that's how you do a value scale with like a brush and a marker. Alrighty, thanks for watching.